Hi, I'm Ilan Leas.
And I'm Anton Kapel.
We are the Convenor and Deputy Convenor of the Life Insurance and Wealth Management Practice Committee. What does a committee do? With still the best acronym of any other practice committee at the Institute, our terms of reference cover everything from education and professional standards to public policy. But very simply, we are actuaries who have a passion for furthering the life insurance and wealth management side of the profession. Along with 8 subcommittees and a number of cross-practice working groups, making up around 100 volunteers, we're focused on enhancing the value and reputation of actuaries working in life insurance and wealth management.
The life insurance industry has continued to grab headlines over this last year. Whilst there has been a continuation in some cases of the headlines from last year, from the continued parliamentary inquiry into the life insurance industry due to issue its report in December, through to the Productivity Commission review of the efficiency and competitiveness of insurance in super, there have been a number of new developments that really put our industry at a pivotal moment in time.
In particular, around half of the life insurance industry has this year been up for sale, with ComInsure being acquired by AIA and OnePath, Suncorp and AMP all potentially exploring sale options. The Financial Services Council Code of Practice came into force midway through the year, and there's development of a similar code for super underway through the Insurance and Super Working Group. The industry has continued its focus on delivering better claims management outcomes, but we still have a long way to go to change levels of trust if the industry is to recover.
In the area of governance and regulation, the two areas of major focus have related to the APRA review of the role of the appointed actuary, which has been released for further consultation, along with the implementation of IFRS 17. The former in particular could lead to insurers revisiting not only the role that individual appointed actuaries can play, but also the broader value proposition of life insurance actuaries in their businesses.
In terms of appointments of note, the committee had 3 babies in the year, with Jia Tan and Lillian Chong stepping down from the committee while on maternity leave. Kuan Yi Tan has taken over Jia's role to manage the CPD subcommittee, and there have been 3 new appointments with Andrew Caton, Andy Su and Eric McNamara all joining the team.
During 2017, the LIWMPC worked with its subcommittees, the Institute, APRA and other practice committees on a number of professional standards, practice guidelines, information notes, submissions and surveys. Of note were the following. In education, increasing the focus at a senior level to support updating the education syllabus along with CPD targeted at sharing lessons or focused on senior challenges. Policy and standards, focusing on major developments such as APRA's proposed changes to the appointed actuary role, an update to PS200 and the impending IFRS 17 changes. The actuarial brand, assessing and better managing the profession's reputation risk, developing a vision for the future state of the role of actuaries in the industry and increasing regulator engagement. Product, increasing debate in areas such as genetics, mental health and legacy product solutions. And communication, increasing the communication to members through relevant and timely updates. We continue to provide our newsletter on a monthly basis to our members, along with delivery of regular insight sessions on life insurance to encourage debate and share learnings.
"2018 will see a continuation of the focus on implementing our strategy, but it will need to be reassessed based on the outcomes of the Parliamentary Joint Inquiry, the Productivity Commission review, and the bedding down of the life industry's ownership. The committee also expects to advance in a number of other areas, including in wealth management, here encouraging better integration and knowledge sharing with the life insurance area, retirement, supporting the new retirement strategy group and the Institute's engagement with Treasury over SIPRs, and data analytics, developing and implementing a strategy to move life actuaries to the front of the data analytics space. By year-end, we also expect to release a green paper on the future of life insurance, which aims to create a vision for how the industry might evolve over the next 5 to 10 years, along with identifying the key review areas required to advance the industry.
Our core focus will continue to include identifying new and emerging technical and practice needs of members. The regulatory and landscape changes will play a big part in defining these needs. managing risk exposure for the profession in life insurance and wealth management, in particular reputation risk, maintaining and developing our education materials. 5A and 5B are expected to be reviewed, along with supporting the Institute as it redesigns the overall education syllabus. Identifying continuing professional development needs of members and developing CPD programs and opportunities, along with potential issues for research and development. Reviewing and developing relevant professional standards and practice guidelines. PS200 will require significant change following the outcome of the appointed actuary review, and a cross-practice working group has been set up to focus on this. Preparing public policy submissions on technical issues affecting life insurance and wealth management, and on matters of broader public interest. We hope that the future of the life insurance paper will give actuaries a platform to engage in broader strategic debate on the future of our industry. Communicating on a regular basis with members, e.g. via e-newsletters and actuaries' digital articles. As with last year, we continue to make this a priority, and we would like to be braver in discussing the more controversial topics. There is a sense that the industry is tired from a number of years of less than positive stories. 2018 will be an opportunity to focus on how we can work together as a profession to support a more sustainable industry that continues to offer great outcomes for our customers. There are a number of useful sources of CPD available through the Institute's website.
Thank you to the members of the Life Insurance and Wealth Management Practice Committee, a passionate bunch of actuaries who volunteer their time to further the life insurance and wealth management side of the profession. And a further thanks to all the other volunteers working in our subcommittees and working groups. There are too many to mention here, but we thank you for all your contributions. To close, there will never be a more exciting time to be a life actuary in an industry in complete flux. If you have any suggestions for the committee, such as topics for insight sessions, or you just want to get involved, please contact the Institute or one of the members of the LIWMPC.
Thank you for watching.